managing your flat, office, and your parents' home? That's three different setups. One big headache. Not anymore. One app, every home, total control. Each home runs independently. Its own rooms, devices, scenes, and schedules. Perfect for rentals, offices, or keeping your parents' home running without touching their setup. In this video, I'll show you how to switch between multiple homes by using our home automation app. One app, multiple homes, instant control. Let's set it up. Switching is instant. Just tap the home name at the top, select your home, tap on Enter Home, and you're in. Or go to Settings in the tab bar, go to Homes, select your home, and tap Enter Home. No logout, no multiple apps, one app, every home, always in control. Thank you.